WhatsApp sues Indian government over new privacy rules. We talked about these privacy rules on the previous show. This was the Indian government basically saying, we got new rules. You got to let us know if there's like a criminal investigation of some kind, if something terrible happens, we want access. We want to know from you the identity of the individual who sent the original message. We want that degree of control in these extreme circumstances. Now, the threat was if you don't accept the new terms, then we could potentially ban you. I don't think any of that has happened as of now. These are huge platforms that people rely on in India. WhatsApp being the biggest of the bunch, even still after the privacy fallout, whatever that was. WhatsApp sitting there saying, look, we can't do this. The case asked that the Delhi High Court to declare that one of the new IT rules is a violation of privacy rights in India's constitution since it requires social media companies to identify the first originator of information when authorities demand it. All right, that's the conflict. WhatsApp is suing the Indian government with that particular complaint, saying the citizen deserves the privacy, and if we were, even in these individual cases, to have the technology necessary to uncover the original sender, then we would essentially be breaking our end-to-end encryption, which is the thing that we promised to our customer.
Similar to what Apple did, right? With the backdoor FBI situation.
They had their own whole version of that going on.
It's very similar, it seems like.
Where it's like, hey, our customer's privacy is of utmost importance to us. And if we were to build in some way of intercepting or breaking our own encryption, then the product would cease to be what it is.
Sure.
That's essentially the message here. I don't know what the reaction response is going to be. It's obviously a lawsuit at this point.
But suing the government.
Very strange, right?
Oh.
Very strange. But I suppose what you're looking for there is for public opinion to be on your side.
Yeah.
To where the pressure mounts and the government backs down because people are saying, yeah, why does my government need this access into my private conversations? That said, to just fully encompass the proposition from the government, they're not saying they want to do this in all cases. They're saying that if some sort of violation has taken place, if there's some sort of criminal activity, they're saying that in these very specific cases that they would want to utilize this power. That's the way it stands right now. So anyway, it definitely doesn't look like WhatsApp's getting banned anytime soon. Instead, the conflict escalates.